It's not exactly. Whoa!
And just like that,
That's what I'm talking
right
about.
hand on the button.
Just
What
like
is going on?
Just like
Will he survive that?
We have to watch out for that right hand. That's the killer. That's the killer right
The
there.
right hand. Will Melvin
And Melvin is going for
Jerusalem
finish this fight?
continues the pressure. Oh my God!
The referee is taking a close look.
May mga nagbigay karangalan at itinaas ang bandila ng Pilipinas. Nagpakitang gilas at ipinakita na walang inaatrasan ng mga pambato nating mandirigma. Kahit pa mismong sa balwarte pa ng kalaban, nagaganap ang kani-kanilang itinakdang laban. Isa na siguro ang bansang Pilipinas sa mayroong magigiting na mandirigmang boksingero, tulad na lamang nila Nonito Donaire, Janriel Casimero, Donnie Nietes at ang ating pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao. Sila ang mga pambato nating nagbigay karangalan sa ating bansa. Sa paglipas nga po ng panahon, ay tila naubos at halos wala nang mapisil sa mga susunod sa yapak ng mga makasaysayang magigiting nating mandirigma. Ay tila na paglipasan na ang mga magigiting nating mandirigma pagdating sa mundo ng boxing sa Pilipinas. Mga nagbigay karangalan sa bansang Pilipinas na hinding-hindi malilimutan ng kahit na sino man. Kasabay ng kanilang paglipas ay may mga bagong usbong na mga Pilipinong mandirigma na bagong magbibigay karangalan at bagong boksingerong makikilala na nagmula sa bansang Pilipinas. Isa na nga po dito mga idol na si Melvin Jerusalem kontra sa Meksikanong si Luis Castillo. Halina't ating silipin mga idol ang highlights ng kanilang laban kung saan ididepensa ng ating kababayan ang hawak nitong titulo na WBC World Minimum Weight Belt.
And he is here and he will do his best to snatch the belt away from Melvin Jerusalem. Jerusalem from Zip Sandman, Cebu City. Round 1 is on its way.
Of course, it's going to be a filling out round.
Yes.
This is a world championship level fight.
Now we looked at the tail of the tape, John. Medyo reach advantage, Luis Castillo.
Yes.
So how do you think Melvin should approach this bout, knowing that he's facing a taller and a longer opponent?
We mentioned earlier that Melvin Jerusalem's power shot is the right hand, the right straight. So he has to set it up with that jab. And we have to be very careful with that timing kasi we know the Mexican fighters, they love to go to the body and disrupt your rhythm with that.
And of course,
throws at him, will not land. Sila attacking the body nitong
There you go.
leveling.
Good start for
He's
Jerusalem
attacking the
going
body of Castillo.
another body shot, straight body shot from Jerusalem.
right in the solar plexus of the Mexican.
The
Low
Mexican
and
looking
wide
for an
stance,
opening,
huh?
but no
Oh,
entry.
yeah. Low and wide stance here for Jerusalem. Pinapahirapan niya ngayon si Castillo kasi Castillo really needs to either go low or he needs to punch down.
As Castillo receives a left hook from Jerusalem in that corner.
At nakita rin natin ngayon, look at Castillo, nag-wide base na rin siya ngayon. He doesn't want to bend over. He doesn't really need to punch down kasi every time he's gonna try to punch down, papasok sa loob si Melvin. So the way to counter that is to go wide as well.
And so far, yung reach advantage and height advantage medyo nanenegate ni Melvin.
Yes, exactly. Whoa!
And just like that,
That's what I'm talking about.
Sa unang round pa nga lamang po mga idol, naka-score na agad ng knockdown ng ating kababayan.
To watch out for that right hand. That's the killer. That's the killer right
The
there.
right hand, will Melvin
And Melvin is going for
Jerusalem
finish this fight?
continues the pressure. Oh my God!
The referee is taking a close look at Castillo right now.
He's checking if
Castillo hanging on for dear life.
And what a round for
What?
Melvin Jerusalem. And that same combination was the thing that gave Melvin Jerusalem his first world title.
Yes.
Yun nga lang naka-recover din si Castillo. So props to him for getting up after that very perfectly timed straight hand.
Nakita nga natin, medyo he's light on his feet, mukhang naka-recover nga, maganda yung, ibig sabihin maganda yung preparation ni Castillo for this fight. Like the way Melvin
Luis
is
Castillo
handling
immediately
his
covered up.
He's not
Jerusalem
charging
is
forward, he's
unfazed.
not being
Tuloy-tuloy
reckless.
siyang
Nandun pa rin yung
forward.
composure, hook dun si Jerusalem. He cannot be careless here kasi syempre gustong bumawi ni Castillo
Mabawi
dito.
at pag nabasa ni Castillo yung suntok na yun, it's gonna be a problem for Jerusalem.
He's going back pero if he needs to move laterally, he's going to his right side. Kasi alam niya na, okay, I can work behind my jab. He's using his jab as a defensive tool. However, just like what John said, yung blinding speed ni Melvin, nandun talaga.
And the crowd is chanting Tapusin.
Tapusin.
Finish him.
Castillo trying to go for the body.
Haba against Jerusalem.
Oh.
Which,
Final 10 seconds
Nice
of the round.
right hand from Jerusalem.
another one,
Grabe.
he's leading sa scorecards. He's not acting over confident.
This is a 12-round fight. Anything can happen.
Yes.
You don't want to be overconfident and lose your title just because of that.
Yes.
And I like the way Melvin Jerusalem is cutting the angles of Luke.
Huge props to him for that one.
Left hook from Jerusalem lands.
Yan yung medyo in-unleash ni Jerusalem nung second round, yung overhand left.
Watch out for that right.
He's switching it up.
Oh, maganda yung switch up din ni Luis.
Right hand from Jerusalem lands again.
Na yun.
But props to Castillo for recovering really well.
Yes.
No?
Mm. I don't know kung anong gustong implement na strategy ni Castillo din nung first round eh. He wanted
Why?
to go down. He wanted to go down. That's why he went wide.
Oh.
Di ba? Parang he's trying to counter pero wala eh. Doon siya
Nice
nahuli.
right hand from Jerusalem.
And just-
Snaps the head back of Castillo.
Good setup with those body shots in the early seconds of the second.
It is interesting enough. Wala naman iba nang ginagawa si Jerusalem but Castillo just could not figure him out.
We are at the 17-second mark of this fourth round. So far, it's all been Melvin Jerusalem with an additional knockdown scored in the first round.
Ayan oh.
Attacking that body, hoping for some dividends later on in the fight. Yung work rate ni good combination for Jerusalem.
And a follow-up to the body after that flurry.
If you're Jerusalem's head coach, Michael Domingo, you have to be happy with your work.
Yes.
Diba? Fighting as planned, not getting reckless, hindi siya nanggigigil, hindi nagmamadali. Good combinations to the body, into the head. Oh, that was a sneaky left hook there by Castillo. Another
Beautiful.
right hand lands for Jerusalem.
Oh, wow. Beautiful uppercut.
The exchange rate here favors the Philippine peso over the Mexican
Oo.
peso.
That is an uppercut and an up.
Versus Philippines fights are very much entertaining.
Absolutely. Kasi even though Jerusalem is ahead on our unofficial scorecards, we are still very tense.
Yes.
We know what the Mexican can
He's
offer
still very much capable to do some damage dito kay Jerusalem.
as he receives a left hook from Jerusalem.
And so far, here in round number 5, mas tumaas yung work rate ni Castillo. He's throwing a lot more punches compared to the earlier rounds.
Good right hand again from Jerusalem. That straight right hand.
Babakutan kayong dalawa, ha? Puputusan kayong dalawa, ha? Tapusin mo na!
Oh my God.
Iba yan ito. Iba yan.
Dapat tikitan niya. Ang ginawa ka nyo yung halos niyayakap ng kalaban.
Pahingaan niya eh. Yan.
Grabe, sugod na sugod pa rin ang buwang loob.
Yun! Ibay.
Decision. Importante lang, score lang yan eh.
Ibay. Sabayan. Hey. na sukot. Yun! May oras pa yun. Sukot pa rin ang sukot eh. Ibay. Hindi mo knock-out. Wala na rin siyang malano eh. Wala naman siyang karoon-round eh. Oo, nakakasuntok pa. Siguro matulong yun sa kanila. Ang bilis ka na tama ko. Yan. Sige. By the bill na yan. Wala na. Round 12 na. Yun! Tingnan mo na sulit. Simpay kabila naman. Bravo. Tutudo na talaga yan. Wala na siyang pag-aatong yun. Nadali na yung nadali siya yung style Pacquiao Marquez. Hindi lang talaga nagpanakaw. Hindi bayan talaga niya. Bye. Oh.
Takbo-takbo na lang. Kuha na yan.
Nagpa-pure din dalawa yun.
Dito nga mga idol, nagpaulan ng kanang suntok ang ating kababayan na solidong tumatama sa mukha ng kalaban.
Sinansingan na niya. Bye!
Grabe.
Kaya tayong bumagsak. Tinataw siya nga lang siya eh.
Here are the scores of the three judges. Judge C. Kyung Ha scored it 118-109. Judge Stephen Glea scored it 120-107. Judge Arnulfo Nahera scored it 120-107. The winner by unanimous decision and still WBC World Minimum Weight Champion,
matapos nga po ang umaatikabong bakbakan, humantong ang resulta sa kamay ng mga hurado. At dito nga, matagumpay na naidepensa ng ating kababayang si Melvin Jerusalem ang hawak nitong titulo.